Alright, so right here I got the 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. It has the 2.3 GHz i9 processor, 32 gigs of RAM, 1 TB SSD, and the Radeon Pro 5500M with 8 gigs of VRAM. That was a lot to say, but this is Apple Refurbished. So I was gonna purchase this brand new with my student discount since I'm a college student, but I decided to give a look at their Certified Refurbished section, which is kind of hidden down at the very bottom of their website. They happen to have the same one that I was planning on getting for $250 cheaper than what I already would have gotten it with my student discount, which is already like $200 off. So it was a super good deal. I decided to go with it and just see what happens. You know, if there's a little bit of, I don't know, wear on it, it's not that big of a deal. It's gonna be used anyways. And for the extra $200, you know, I can get myself some dongles and some accessories, or, you know, a case for it, if anything. So this is Apple Certified Refurbished, right from apple.com. MacBook Pro 16-inch. Let's unbox it, see what it looks like. Also, I'm not in my typical setup, as you can probably tell. Honestly, I'm just so excited. I get way too excited over new technology, so I just figured I'd set the cameras right here, get this thing unboxed so I can get to using it. So let's open it right up and see what it looks like. Also, if you couldn't tell, I'm a little sick right now, so that's fun too, but you know, good time to, oh, there was a rip, didn't even need a knife. Anyways, yeah, I'm kind of sick, but it's a good time to get a new MacBook because I'm probably gonna spend the next 2 days just getting it set up anyways and testing it out because, you know, gotta do it with the new, all that new stuff. You always gotta test it out for the first few days. Anyways, that's it. So nothing else in this box, but this is actually sealed, and I can tell this is a different box than what the new ones come in. Oh yeah, it actually says Apple Certified Refurbished. I don't know if you can see that or if it's focused. I got a 2-camera setup actually. This is the most crazy camera setup I've ever done in a video. Got 2 cameras filming, unboxing a new MacBook. I'm going to be editing this video with this MacBook as well, so I'll probably cut in somewhere while I'm editing and just let you know how it's going. This is essentially twice the performance of my previous laptop, my Dell XPS 15, which is the 2017 model. It's the 9560. My XPS has a quad-core processor. It has it does have 32 gigs of RAM, so it has the same amount of RAM. But it has a 4-core processor, and this one's a i9 8-core, and it has a GTX 1050, which is 4 gigs of VRAM. This is a brand new graphics card with 8 gigs of VRAM, and my XPS has a 1 TB SSD too, but essentially double the performance. I'm guessing it's gonna edit it perfectly fine, so I'll definitely cut that in somewhere, give you an update while I'm editing this video. All right, anyways, so right here, little pull tab thing. So it is sealed. It is sealed. I wasn't sure if it was going to be sealed or not, if it was even going to be in a MacBook box. I guess I really wasn't sure what to expect. I never bought anything from Apple. This is my actually first real Apple product that I'm buying for myself. I don't have an iPhone or anything, which I probably should get one if I get a MacBook now. Anyways, so, all right. Peeling that off. All right. MacBook Pro. So, let's do this. Is it just me? I get way too excited about new technology, I feel like. Every time I get something new, I cannot wait to get home, you know, from work, or, you know, get home from the store, or wherever I'm at, just to go test it out and use it. I don't know if it's just me. Either way, let's do this. That's a thick box. It's a nice thick box. All right, so that's it for the top. MacBook Pro. It does state it's certified refurbished. So yeah, there's that. And all right. Nice, that is cold. All right, so there it is. 16-inch MacBook Pro. Almost fully spec'd out. I mean, I didn't get 64 gigs of RAM because I really don't think I'll ever need it. And when I do need it, this will be, you know, 4 years old probably. And I got 1 TB of SSD storage because I do have external drives. So essentially, you know, like mid to upper tier spec. certified refurbished. Let's take it out. I'm wasting too much time. So I do see. I don't know if these are just on this plastic cover. I don't know if you can see that. There's like a couple little like scuffs, and I cannot tell if that's under this or if it's on it, but I guess we're about to find out. That would be, I don't know, I mean, I guess it's expected, but we'll see, we'll see. It is refurbished. Let's pull this off. Tell you what, this thing feels really thin compared to my XPS. Okay. Oh, no, that was nothing. All right, false alarm. Thought there was a little like scratch in it, but it was just like something stuck to the top. Okay, so those scuffs were not on this. This is, I don't think. This looks pristine. This looks brand new. If I was told this was brand new, I would 100% believe it. Let's open it up. So far it looks really good. It's got that little cloth on the screen, all right. Look at that. Oh, it's starting up. I would 100% believe that this is brand new. There's not one mark on it. Like it's perfect. So this was definitely, oh, I didn't get to the box. So far, this is a fantastic experience.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, this is spectacular. I mean, this is definitely above expectations for a refurbished product, like 100%. Let's get into the box, and this is mostly just gonna be a first impressions unboxing video. After this, I'm gonna go set it up, use it for a little while, but I don't know if you want to see a review of it. Let me know, whatever you want to see. I mean, I mostly do camera stuff on this channel, but all right. Let's see, let's take this stuff out. And yeah, like I said, this is gonna be more of a first impressions video, just unboxing experience with an Apple refurbished 16-inch MacBook Pro. So, a charger cable. This looks new. I'm guessing they would have put a new charger in here. That would be my guess of, you know, their process. They'd just put a new charger brick in there and stuff. That's my guess. Maybe they cleaned it up really good. I'd say it's new though. And then the 96-watt charger. See, this is gonna be another big thing. My XPS has like such a long and hunky, clunky charger. This is gonna be so much simpler. USB-C, I can charge my phone with it, I can charge my laptop. It's just this simple, one brick, one cable, not like a cable, then a brick, and then a thin cable, a thick cable. So this should be a lot easier, hopefully. So let's take this out. Okay. Come on, there we go. Yep, that is brand new. That's gotta be brand new. See, 96-watt USB-C power adapter. And I don't know how long is this, probably like a 6-foot USB-C cable. Let's go ahead and take that, and that's that. So that's the whole experience. Computer, charger, pretty much everything, I believe everything that comes with a new MacBook. Let me see if there's Apple stickers. You know, yeah, oh, look at the dark space gray ones. So yeah, it looks like everything that comes with a new one is in here. And it has a 1-year warranty as well, which that was kind of the main, you know, along with the price, the warranty, and the other thing that drove me to buying a refurbished rather than a brand new. The delivery time for a brand new MacBook, the same specs, was about 3 weeks to a month. It was almost a month. They said March 16th was like the expected delivery date. And what is it, February something? February 14th, so over a month. I ordered this yesterday, and I got it today. I got 1-day shipping. It was $8 for 1-day shipping. I was expecting it to be a lot more. Rather than waiting 1 month, I got this one, the same spec that I wanted originally, refurbished, which was brand new basically, in 1 day. So less than, I mean, I ordered it at like 3 p.m. yesterday. It's like 11 o'clock right now, 11:30. So that's the other reason. But either way, that was a fantastic experience. I would honestly believe, they definitely shouldn't do this, but if I was told this was brand new, I'd believe it. Besides that refurbished thing on the box. Besides that, I would believe this is brand new. It's It looks fantastic. I cannot wait to start using this. I don't know if there's gonna be more part to this video or not. Yeah, I guess you'll find out in a few seconds if I am gonna do a little first impression segment or not, but fantastic experience. Looks brand new. I would definitely, at this point in time, recommend this experience, but I really have to make sure it's the right specs, make sure it's the right stuff that I ordered and all that first. But either way, that's it for the unboxing of Apple Refurbished MacBook Pro 16-inch.